Welcome to To Do a playlist where flavors come alive and taste buds are free. A quiet, timeless kitchen where love is the key. Cooking up a storm, just wait and see. To affairs where food is a passion. Delicious dishes made with love and fashion. From Ghana to the world, the flavors unfold. To affairs where food is a treasure to hold. Fufu, banku, jollof and more. Akua's recipes leave us wanting more. Her passion for food is contagious and bright, making our tummies happy day and night.